Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel, to the Moon and Space playlist. A train going by right now. Here we are. It is the March supermoon. It's still a little cloudy out. Let's see if we can get closer to this baby. There's a train, there's little wisps of clouds going in front. So I don't know if we're gonna focus in on this tonight. Happy full moon, happy worm moon. Come on, focus, little camera. Cool. So my uncle says to me, why is it called the worm moon? And I'm like, well, because the ground is thawing and spring is coming and the worms are going to start waking up. And he's like, oh, that's interesting. And I said, I know, right? He says, how much snow do you have? I'm like, oh, about a foot. So here is our quick look at our March supermoon. It is really foggy here right now, but we were able to get a quick peek in before clouds take it over. Beautiful view from Manitoba, Canada. Cool full moon with the train in the background. Looks like there's a ring around the moon, so it looks like it's going to get colder. And there we go. All right, what a good look at our full moon this month. Thank you guys so much for hanging out here and checking it out. I will put the full moon in space playlist up here in the end screens for you. And I will see you on the next full moon. Ooh, so cool.